Tianjin Kangli Tebian Electromechanical Technology Co., Ltd., as its wholly owned subsidiary, is a technology R&D company for intelligent robots, power grid control equipment, power transformer equipment and other electrical equipment, electrical special equipment, branch of China Electrical Equipment Industry Association. Tianjin Kangli Tebian Electromechanical Technology Co., Ltd., is a supplier of automation solutions for transformers and production of ancillary machining installation equipment, supporting the free development of various operating systems and programming languages. In the production process, the company constantly improves its innovation ability and improves the production process. It has successively developed transformer automatic curtain oil duct bonding machine, automatic longitudinal oil duct, automatic bonding machine, automatic and insulation bonding machine, multi-piece combination, dovetailed, pigeon-tail, rectangular, strapping machine, automatic corrugated paper tube machine, CNC dovetail basket machine, strapping machine, CNC machining center, automatic computer cutting saw, hot press, round rod machine, electrostatic ring dressing machine, CNC step milling saw, CNC computer slither machine, and other special equipment of installation series. All our products use CAD optimization design, and the size of important parts is verified by the internationally renowned three-dimensional software finite element analysis software on the basis of theoretical calculation to ensure the safety and reliability of products. Welcome to contact us for more information about our insulation material making machines.